Benny, you're in the way.
All right.
Tag.
Yeah, Rock, you try. Roxy, you guys, me.
My leg is so tight.
Fly right.
Follow right, Ketty. Follow right. Follow right.
Yes.
Yeah, first.
Oh, full.
Yeah, first.
Hold there.
Yes, Arena. Do something useful.
When you're ready, roll ball, you're like.
Come back.
Yeah, first you, guys, me.
So what was the score last week? 3. Okay. No, last week.
First round, good line.
Yeah, where you are, Marcus coming.
Hey, Andy. Andy, fourth.
That's you. Go. Go left.
Is Josh playing one more? Which team? What team is it? Huh? Washed up and Trishy's Fishies? Okay. Do you mind taking over real quick? Let's go check some. Huh? Yeah. Can you take over a sec? Let's go to ask him. I've asked him something. Thank you. That was you, Jaden.
Yeah, because you're playing.
What's the score? Nigel's captain in that.
Is this Schmuck Face?
No, he's subbing.
Whoa, not so now. Is that 1-0?
Yeah, 1-0. I think so.
1-0. Who's way? Ah, Jaden, you are the view of this. You're the view. Like,
This game is brought to you by Lamloy Bros.
like the view looks pretty nice. I can't lie. It looks nice. Like the backdrop's nice.
Does it belong to my life?
Yeah, like. But the ground looks pretty. Better days.
Devastated.
All from Benny stepping.
Take that straight away.
Oh, that's it. Yeah.
Great time.
And that's it. No more tag for the rest of the week. My knees can heal.
Johnny, follow up. Steve, you got one. You got hat. Steve, you got hat. That's you, Steve. Good. Alive. Great.
Whoa, shit.
And you follow up. Johnny, you got one. Steve, you got hat. It's a soft grip.
Oh, I thought you played the ball the wrong way. How did you play the ball? You put it like this way.
When you ready, roll ball. Follow up.
Because it looks like you rotated the ball and then you rolled it on its tip.
Was it already too many low lights? Too many low lights.
Nah, it's in clip.
Good. No, point it.
Oh.
Yep. Good. Great kick.
Outside. Nice.
She's not tired.
Yeah, to Chris.
Oh, there must have been something in that ventilator. Must have been something in that ventilator, eh?
Yeah, I'm not doing coughing anymore.
Very tight.
No, it's not. Actually, get on, Jaden.
Seemed like they did.
Bring it up a few meters, guys, where the touch was.
Hey Tracy, come on. I think we shot one.
When you're ready, roll ball, yep. Step right, go right. Then. Chill.
Two nil. It's in, are we? Quite cold, isn't it? It's so cold. They're trying to run it to 360.
Bring it back,
Help.
back.
Yeah.
Ask Rachel.
I would have done it while we were recording.
Rachel!
Unless you want to record a bit and I'll.
Come back.
Yeah, up to you.
Yeah, come.
When you're ready.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, catch
Like
up.
playing wise or like referee wise? But
Andy, you got one. Yeah, hats you.
you know the score is? 2-0? Oh, okay. Do you know what's called?
Team, you got half.
Oh, okay, nice.
26 back up.
Take ball. Turn!
One.
On attack.
Yeah, girls, me. Follow, Steve.
Yeah.
Look, go.
What's the score? Huh? Okay, 2-1 Pink's way. Oh. Huh? I am cool. Hey guys, Tiger's giving the score, so it's wrong. It's his fault.
2-1.
2-1.
Simple rock out, guys.
What time are you playing? 8:30. Which field? Oh, okay. I think I'm filling this one. I see, bro.
Yeah, hit left. Stay right. You stay here. You, Shivash. Next one to you. Sorry. We're going now.
Good head. Right side, Andy!
Yeah, girls, you come left.
All blocked.
Yourself? Boys.
Score should be 3-2, Yellow's way. Hey, ref, what's the score? 3-2. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
3-2,
Yellow's way. Oh, he made it under.
Two, hand down.
It's alright. Who's next? Go yourself, Michael. Go yourself.
Oh. Score should be 4-3. Thanks, way.
Great kick!
Way up is a line, up is a line. Good tag.
Rachel, come! Rachel, one! Rachel, rock! Rachel. Miss.
Go.
Oh, yo. Oh, yeah. Are you playing?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. Oh, field 2, 8:30.
Oh, hey, well, it's not good. What?
I got.
Red.
Oh, tag. Is it, how's the team looking? Who's on it?
Pretty good. I don't know most of them. So I know Tiger.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Who rubbed you in?
A Tiger.
Oh.
I was like begging. I was asking her around for.
Oh, yeah.
Get down, Eddie, all you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Far out. Here we go. Who would have thought?
Yes.
I
Oztag.
yeah. I hope you're in our div. What div are you in?
I don't know.
Are you
One of
6?
these we should-
Nah, you. You guys aren't supposed to be there. What's going on?
I don't know. I think there's only 3 kids.
Oh, there's only 3 divs. Ooh.
Maybe there's only 4.
Oh, okay. Oh, are they gonna still try here? Is he offside? That's close.
Plays over.
Is he gonna wood it? Cool.
The winger's offside by 10 metres.
Yeah, surely offside.
The winger's offside by 15 metres.
Score should be 4-all.
That's not your fault at all.
Oh. Yeah, exactly. Come on. Yeah, can we get that video, please? Oh. It's a draw 4-all. How you finding CityCom? Oh, you haven't played? Oh, okay. Okay, right. Well, not fair, no? I mean, have you seen like our ride game? Holy smokes! Oh wow! Oh. Okay. Like our last 2 games we lost like by more than 20 points.
Wait, against who?
That's a good question. So we played against Alabama Hot Pockets, and it was like 20 to like 3. And then we played against another team, like it was like 21. Oh no, 23 to 4.
Are you having fun though?
Oh no, I had the most amount of fun that game.
That's good.
Yeah,
Who
like
cares then?
because we can have like because at this point it's like we're not winning Div 1, so I'm like not too stressed about it.
Oh, you did 2?
Yeah. So yeah, but like Div 1 and 2 come together, so it's like at least I can go on the field and have a like do whatever because like at this point like the wins don't really matter because we're in the finals anyway for like Div 2.
Yeah, just have fun.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, so some people are like, oh guys, we're gonna try. I'm like, no, we don't.
I mean, try, but like, have fun.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You guys you're set.
Yeah. Exactly. I'm like, look, I'm out there just to.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
You played too?
I already played.
Oh, which game?
7 o'clock. Yeah, like 13-3, 13-4. Oh no, 13 something.
Red shirt now. Red shirt, freedom.
But I think it's like the beginning of the season, so there might be a reshuffle of talent.
Like a 6-month holiday.
Ah, that's true though.
Nice, freedom.
Yeah, it's not too bad though.
Well done, Nudge.
Is this your dude? Oh yeah, I can only imagine. Oh, who denied you? I'm ready. Div 2, Div 3.
Good tag. Wait, go to the next set. Yep.
Hello, how you?
Straight back.
Who wants to go with? Do you want
It's
to?
easier.
Did you want to record?
Oh, yeah.
The wheel.
Good tag. Good ball.
Hey guys, we've got an intern recording right now, so if the camera looks a bit poor, you'll know why.
Hover.
Oh, she's doing it. It's good framing.
Yes, it's she's so cute. This is cute. They have good framing.
You'd be surprised, like, people have, like, start recording and I'm looking at the video, I'm like, why are we recording the sky? And like, all these people, like, down there.
Oh, isn't it? No, it's framing.
No, this is good, this is good.
I'm following the ball. Oh, wait, I'm too loud. Yay! 5-4 Kingsway. How do you zoom? Oh shit. Really? Yeah. I'll be like this. Andy.
That's me. Sleeves you, What sleeves you, Lee? First you see him. Wake up.
Maybe after the highlight.
No, it's fine.
Oh, 5-4. Kingsway. Both of them way. Is that right? Alright. My shift's over now. My shift's over. Oh.
Sorry, the intern has abandoned her post. I can't wait to watch this phone. No, I'm leaving that in. I'm gonna leave it in. I'm gonna put in the story. I'm gonna tag you too.
Don't cut that out.
Nah. Post it on Insta, tag, like. Oh no.
Please mute it.
No, it's hilarious, people.
You know how you mute a video sometimes?
Oh no. No, we're not muting that. That's hilarious. I remember because it's 5-4 and I'm like,
Yellow's way. I had a brain fart.
How's your dog going?
Oh my god, so cute.
Oh,
So cute.
I miss her. I like.
I bring her sometimes. She's just crazy with people around.
Oh, okay.
But she's so
Nothing.
much bigger than last time we saw her.
Oh, okay.
She's so big now.
Score is 6-5. Yellow's way. Oh, like huge proper.
Like she's like 12 kilos now. She's still really skinny, but she's like big. But oh, she's so cute. But like yeah, she's just big. She's really jumpy. So I don't like bringing her around like all the people.
Oh, fair enough. Cause yeah. Do you like? Have you ever seen Yvonne's dog?
Corgis?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're huge. And I had to I lifted it up. It was like 20 kilos. I'm like, far out.
They're stuck like pickums.
Yeah, like, but normally the. Oh, he passed off. Is that? Who's that? Score is 6-all. Jesse said Pink's way. I'm listening to a canter. I'm judging right now. No, that was hilarious. Oh, we're blocked. Oh, was that a girl or guy try? Score is 8-6. Yellow's way. Everyone on the sideline was just standing there. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, I was like, listening to the canter, and there was like English mixed into it, and I was like, okay. Hey, good. How are you, bro? Bro, that's giving me such a funny phrase. Hey, bro, what's good? Hey, good to see you. Oh, no, right, tell me about it. Hey, bro, how are you? Good to see you. Mikey, I'm offended you even asked that.
Nice! One more, mate! Go, girls, you! Nice! Come on! Let's go! Get lead!
Ooh, no. That was not the play.
Shit.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
no, you're right.
I don't want to witness this.
One set!
Score is 8-7. That was way. Huh? Yeah, pretty close. 8-7 yellows way. I'm pretty sure.
One defensive set!
Hey, slow. Daddy. Oh.
Get the right!
Hey, Don. Oh, can someone get Don? Oh. Can you take it up? Okay. What's the score now? What's the score? Pink. Yeah. Eight all. Huh? Ah. Should I join it? Should I actually register it? I don't know. I might, but I don't know yet. Huh? I don't know if I will register for it. Maybe.
That's the job. Winning.
No, now it's up by one now. 9-8 yellows. What did he say? I don't know what he said.
Oh, man. Oh, my God.
No way.
Walk on, stay tight! Yes, leave! Right, Tommy! Cut out! Cut! Mid, pull your side! That's it, that's it! Get back in line, shape up!
Tonight, Pete.
It's try
Fair enough, fair enough.
What's up, Nigel? Already played. I'm not, this is a jacket. I already played. Huh?
One down, tight enough, guys, one down! Easy, Sam! Stay left! One set, Lynn, then sub out. One set. One big set, Lynn.
Any help?
Work hard, Kurt. One set.
Go, go! Watch it down! Watch it down!
Yeah, it's blocked.
Nice.
Is it someone like up? No, the microphone.
If you're playing sub.
It's so cold. You ready for this? Me neither.
What side? What side?
I told you. Alright, Josh, who's a para? Who's a para? What?
Oh, my phone caught.
Susie.
Straighten up! Take the tag!
They're a power event?
Someone wanted me to pick up some from Power.
For intervarsity.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have the card tonight.
Actually, wait, where is intervarsity actually? Is that new mascot?
One big
Oh,
set.
never mind then.
Come on. Work hard and serve.
Yeah, the person on last one, yeah?
Got you, Andy.
Nah, save. Nah, save.
Oh my God. Look at number one, Rick.
Fuck, what's the score now? Well, who scored? I don't even know anymore. Yeah, it's either... I don't know who this is, I don't know. Oh, God. Oh. What's the final score?